From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring alarm clock? Well, wake up to the alarm clock LED screen bedroom from JISELLPSGFGFDS. It's a game changer. This top-rated bestseller is about to take your mornings to the next level. With its sleek curved LED screen, you can see the time from any angle. It's like having your own personal clock tower on your bedside table. This thing is a beast. It can display time in both 12 and 24-hour formats, and it even shows the date, so you'll never have to worry about missing an appointment again. But that's not all, it also displays the temperature, so you can plan your day accordingly, whether it's a scorching hot summer day or a freezing cold winter morning. The alarm clock function is also incredibly intuitive, with a snooze feature that can be adjusted from 5 to 60 minutes, so you can hit the snooze button as many times as you want. And the best part, it's well reviewed by thousands of customers who have purchased and loved it. They can't get enough of its night mode design, which automatically dims the LED light at night, so you can sleep peacefully. The curved screen gives you a vertical and isometric visual experience. You can clearly see the time from multiple angles. It's like having a little piece of futuristic technology on your bedside table. Whether you're a heavy sleeper or a light sleeper, this alarm clock has got you covered. It's the perfect addition to any bedroom, and it's so much better than those old-fashioned alarm clocks that just make an annoying beeping sound. This one is a gentle wake-up call that will make you feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. So why settle for an ordinary alarm clock when you can have an extraordinary one? Get your hands on the alarm clock LED screen bedroom from JISELLPSGFGFDS today and start waking up to as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.